How to grow your Instagram following with the right audience. Philip Bacon. Grow your Instagram following with the right audience. Let's talk about how to grow your Instagram following with the right people. Right, who are the sort of people that want to buy your product and engage with your brand? There are a lot of ways to grow your followers. You can go onto Google and you can type in how to grow my Instagram and you'll be bombarded with adverts for companies that tell you how to do it. Systems or pods that will help you grow your presence. And then there will be blogs on the subject as well. There are 500 million active Instagram users every day in the app. 500 million people, 1.4 billion a month. And you want just a little part of that. Now, the first thing to do is optimize your profile. Make sure you use the right hashtags in your posts and profile. Make sure your profile description is complete. Make sure you're using the highlight section properly and regularly updating it. Make sure your company name is easily findable and related to your product and brand. Make sure that your grid is updated and the images that are going on there are correct and right. If they don't fit your brand's looks and feels, remove them. Watch when are you posting. If you're posting at 6 a.m. every day and your audience isn't generally around until 11 till 3, they're very unlikely to see your post and very unlikely to engage. Consider what you are posting. A single image is a standard. You've then got video content. Again, if you just post that a normal post, it's still fairly standard and it doesn't get the juices going. For the Instagram algorithm, where it's at right now is Reels. You can take the content you're creating on TikTok and push that through your Reels on Instagram. You can then take that, chop it up and turn it into posts for other platforms. But Reels get the most juice from the Instagram algorithm at the moment and build up your grid on there as well. Maximize your time by recycling content. Something else to consider is working with other people. Brand ambassadors, collaborators, and your customers create their own user-generated content. User-generated content is always going to be powerful because it's real. It's real life. It's real people. If you're focused in a local area, use geotags on your posts as well so that you get picked up by the local community. That's another way to get a localized audience. You can pay for sponsored posts and product reviews. Now, sponsored posts, actually asking people to follow you. Where's the harm in that? If you don't ask, you don't get. You can put a post out there that says, follow us for exclusives, and the classic like, share, and tag your friends in our post to enter a competition using Instagram. Add another element to the mix. When one thing is working and keep building up. Something doesn't work. Stop flogging the dead horse and move on. The more you do and do well, the more you grow. If anything in today's marketing minute has been particularly helpful to you, or you want to talk about it more, you know how to get hold of us, or you can visit our website or visit the new site, which is focused on helping small businesses get more out of their marketing without having to spend an absolute fortune. Go there. It's www.getyouownmarketingteam.com. Prefer to watch this information? Watch the full video on Instagram followers. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are beyond. Bacon Marketing provides a full review, streamlining and optimization service that will take your marketing and advertising to the next level. Please see our range of services or complete the form to discuss your needs with us. Straightforward approach. We always start by finding out about your business. It's unique. Then we get to work on planning, building your strategy, and adding sizzle to your marketing. Our combined backgrounds are a combination of both generalist and digital marketers, largely focused on digital marketing and also how it can be blended with offline marketing. It has meant that we have had to be hands-on and strategic.